So the ingredients you will need is 1 banana, a can of whipped cream, peanut butter, and some bread. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take your toast, or bread, I guess I should say, and you're gonna wanna get however many slices you want to eat. I normally eat 2, and you're going to want to put those in your toaster and toast them. You really only need about half a banana for this, so I'm gonna cut mine in half really quick. And then you're gonna cut it into little slices. You're gonna want 3 slices per toast you make. I'm just gonna put up the rest of this because I don't wanna waste my banana. So after the toast is done, you're gonna take it out of the toaster, and then you're gonna take your peanut butter, get a big glob of it, like this, and you're gonna spread it on your toast. If you want, you can wait for your toast to cool down, and then the peanut butter won't be as runny, but I personally like it that way. So after you have peanut buttered your toast slices should look like this at this step. Then you're gonna take your banana slices and you're gonna place 3 slices on each, kind of like this. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see, hopefully you can. So after that, the final step of your teddy bear toast is adding the nose and the eyes. Now for this part, you can kind of get creative with it. I like to use whipped cream because personally I love whipped cream. However, a lot of people like to use blueberries. It is the more healthy option. Chocolate chips are always fun as well. But you're gonna wanna just kind of do your eyes a little bit under your ears here. 1 eye, 2 eye, and then I like to do a little bit of a dot for the nose. So now, if you really wanna get crazy with it, you can use both whipped cream and blueberries and put the blueberries in the whipped cream. I didn't have blueberries today, so I couldn't do that. But when you're done, it will look like this. And the last thing you do is you take a big bite out of it. Pretty good. Teddy bear toast.